So within funding, a campaign is anything you want funding for. So it could be core funding, it could be a particular project, it could be a capital build. We create as a campaign, and within that campaign, it's effectively a case for support. And within that campaign, we have things like the description, the outcomes, the impact it's going to have, and the budget. We ask for them because one, it helps us match you with grants, but two, it's also the key information that a lot of the funders want. So by uploading it once, we can then reuse that same information over and over again. So the quickest way to create a campaign is to go to create campaign, AI generated campaign. I will touch on the file upload. So if you've got a project plan or if you've got a past application, you can upload that as a file. The AI will analyze the file and will create a campaign off the back of that. So you can do it quickly that way. But let's go for an AI generated campaign. So I'm going to give it a title. This one's going to be a youth project. It's going to take place in Leeds. And we can give it a description. So the description is what you're going to deliver, basically. Or we can use AI to get us there a bit quicker. So this is going to be a sport-based youth club for young people at risk of crime. And we're going to generate the draft. So the AI is now going to generate us a campaign description off the back of that. Now, what I would recommend here is just personalise this bit a little bit. You know, add more information, add a project plan, add different bits of information within that description. Then if we create a campaign, the AI will then create the entire campaign based off that information. Now I'll show you one that we've done before. So I'll create all of this for you. So description, it'll add some impact, outcomes for you. Again, I would recommend reviewing them and making sure they're accurate, but at least gives you a starting point. You can always use AI to change these as well. It will evidence the need. So it will look at what you're going to deliver, where you're going to deliver it, and as you can see here, add some statistics that support the need for that. You will have to do this section yourselves. So, you know, what research or what consultation have you done locally to know there's a demand for this work? And then the budget. It will put a budget in there for you, but I would be amazed if it got it bang on accurate. So again, I would use that as a starting point and adjust it as you need to do. But once the campaign's done, it'll then match with grants. But yeah, that's how we find the funding. That's the quickest way to find the funding, is by setting up different campaigns for the different bits you want funding for.